Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out the Klook affiliate program and maybe you're wondering, can you make money with Klook? Can you just recommend their products and services and generate income that way? We're going to talk all about their affiliate program and maybe this is a cool way for you to earn some extra money, okay? Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out the Klook program to find out whether this is a cool way for you to earn some extra money or maybe there are better ways out there, all right? Now Klook is basically a travel website. They do everything from allowing you to book different travel packages through their website. You can book car rentals, you can book hotels, travel experiences, and literally for hundreds of countries around the world. I've also used Klook myself to book certain experiences. It's a great website, all right? Now, the cool thing about Klook is that you can join their affiliate program, and all that means is that you can refer their experiences, their hotel bookings, their car rentals, all that stuff through your personal referral link. And if somebody buys from your link and they go to Klook and buy, Klook will pay you a commission. It's really, really cool, okay? So this is how it works, right? So if you come to the affiliate.klook.com website, it says better conversion, higher sales, great commissions. This is how it works. 100,000 plus experiences worldwide, incentives and rewards, 9 languages, 10 billing currencies, really, really cool, right? And basically what you can do is you can just grab a link to any experience, any specific website. You can have a banner just for the klook.com website if you want, and you can basically link it onto your website, your blog, your travel hub, whatever it is. Or if you have a big following on social media where you talk about travel, like on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, you can also talk about specific experiences to them. Grab your specific Klook affiliate link for that particular experience, and then if people buy, you get a commission. It's super duper cool, and this is why I love affiliate marketing, okay? So this is kind of how it works, all right? Let's go through some of the FAQs so that you first of all understand, right? So first of all, who can join the program? Basically anybody can join the program. All right, so you can be a beginner, you could be a very experienced internet marketer, you could have a travel blog, you could have a website, you could have a following on social media, and you can join. The only thing though is you must have a website. All right, so if you are a beginner, you must have a website. But the cool thing is you can go and set one up very, very easily with, Wix or any of the free website platforms out there. The only thing though is that even if you have a website but you don't have a following, it's going to take a little bit of time for you to build that following. Okay, now don't worry, we'll talk about how you can still make money as a beginner through affiliate marketing towards the end of this video, but just understand that, right? The whole thing about affiliate marketing is you need a following in order for you to promote that particular product to them so that they can actually click on the links and buy from you. That's how you generally make money, all right? So if you're very experienced, then it's very easy, especially if you have a travel blog or a travel following, you can literally just talk about any travel experience, plug in the Klook affiliate links and make some money, okay? So let's talk a little bit about the payment and how much money you make and all that kind of stuff, right? So they have a whole bunch of tools that they offer you, okay? You can link directly to any web page or any specific city or any activity, which is really cool, right? So a lot of flexibility. Payment schedules are very important, okay? So first of all, how much do you get paid? You get paid roughly about 5% for every sale that you make. So let's just say, somebody booked an experience, it was $100, then you're gonna get 5% of the $100, so that's $5, right? So again, it's not a huge amount. 5% is actually pretty low, but it's pretty normal for most most affiliate programs, honestly. If it's not a digital experience, because this is considered a physical thing, it's an experience where people have to go there. There's going to be staff that will help you to go through the experience. It's a hotel, it's a car rental, right? Most of these types of services, the affiliate rate is about 5%. I'm going to show you how to make even more percentage towards the end of this video, so make sure you stick around, okay? But 5%, very competitive for this type of service, okay? Now, how do you get paid? So if it's a car rental or hotel vertical, you get paid 1 month after the checkout or car drop-off date, which is pretty good. That's pretty normal, all right? If it's not a car rental or hotel, if it's an experience, then you will be paid 3 months after the booking date. So it's a little bit long, all right? But unfortunately, that's just kind of how they work from. The nice thing though is that you get paid in 14 different currencies you can choose, right? Everything from US dollar to Singapore dollar to Taiwan dollar, anything like that. Payment methods, mainly through a direct bank transfer, all right? And you must have a minimum of $150 threshold to be paid out, okay? So direct to your bank, they don't pay out through checks or PayPal or anything like that, right? There will be a bank wire fee of 25 bucks, okay? So that's the only other thing. They only have one method of payout, which is a little bit unfortunate, all right? And so if you want to get started, signing up with them, you can just click on here and then you can sign up with a Klook account. Or if you're based in Asia, right, you can sign up through Involve Asia. Involve Asia is a very large affiliate network here in Asia, all right? And it's really cool. They've got a breakdown here of the actual Klook program, and these are kind of the main countries that Klook kind of operates in. So if you're in any of these countries right here and you have a big travel blog or a travel following, then you can sign up with Involve Asia, get your links, and you can start promoting that way. And when you make a sale, then you'll get paid directly through Involve Asia, which is really, really cool. Okay, so that is the Klook affiliate program. I think it's a great program, right? So first of all, especially if you're in the travel space, hotels, cars, travel experiences, you already have a following, super duper easy. You come here, you sign up for the program, you talk about a specific experience, a specific hotel, a specific country, you drop your link, your buyers will buy. Okay, you get paid 5% commissions, super duper easy. Now, if you're a beginner, it's a little bit more difficult because you don't have a following, so there's no one to promote to, right? But don't worry, I'm gonna hook you up in a second. I'll show you exactly what to do. But if you are experienced, you wanna sign up for the Klook affiliate program, just head to affiliate.klook.com. Very, very cool. I love affiliate marketing. It changed my life. So if you want to check out the Klook affiliate program, head over to klook.com. All right. Now, if you're here and you're a beginner, maybe this is the first time that you're, hearing about affiliate marketing. You want to do it. You want to promote stuff online. You want to make money through referring other company services and products, which I think is great. It's a $17 billion industry, right? I've made millions through affiliate marketing, but maybe you don't know how because perhaps you're a beginner. All right. Now, there is a step-by-step way to do this. Even if you're just getting started, you need to learn how to pick products, you need to learn how to build out a simple sales process, and you need to learn how to build your audience of that specific niche. And it could be anything. It could be travel, it could be weight loss, it could be business, whatever you want, right? So if you want to learn step by step how to do this, I'll show you how I went from zero to millions of dollars. I've got a free masterclass that you can just check out if you want. Just click the link right below this video, get access to that for free. I hope you enjoyed this coverage of the Klook affiliate program. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next one.